you have though?
Oh no! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Hey, oh no! That's gonna get the battery. It's gonna explode.
Oh yeah, he's right.
Oh no!
I'm gonna back up a little.
Oh yeah, we might want to go. I wouldn't risk it.
I wouldn't want to face the back.
Yeah, it's gonna explode.
No.
Watch out, Joshua.
Why are you going close? Bro,
Watch it hit mommy's car.
that's gonna be horrifying.
It ain't gonna work.
Face it the other way. Face a little more to the left.
You think he's gonna touch it when there's fire inside? Hey, yo, camera, come here. Camera.
Oh my God. Is this scale working?
What?
No, I don't think so. But that's. You video recording this?
Yeah. Cameron, say hi.
No, it's not.
Say hi to my YouTube camera.
From the angle of this, it's gonna hit mommy. No, it's gonna bounce off the door that way. Okay.
Look, say hi to YouTube and TikTok.
Hello! We're gonna explode the microwave.
Oh, battery too low to use flash. Oh, that's not good.
He's throwing him in.
I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that, but it's
Oh,
gonna
my
go.
phone! My phone!
Let there be light. Let there be fire.
Look, dump that camera.
Oh no, there's no more fire.
Put that down. Put that down.
Excuse me.
Go dump it.
Forgot to dump it out.
No.
All right, well, peace.